Have you ever wondered how humans went from launching the first satellite to exploring distant planets? Space exploration has seen many amazing achievements that changed the way we understand the universe. From the first steps on the moon to flying helicopters on Mars, these moments have shaped our journey into space. In this video, we will look at the top 10 historic triumphs in space exploration that made history. Let's get started. 1. Launch of Sputnik 1, 1957. The first satellite. In 1957, the Soviet Union made history by launching Sputnik 1, the first man-made satellite to orbit the Earth. This small metal sphere, about the size of a beach ball, weighed only 83.6 kilograms, but had a huge impact. As it circled the Earth, it sent out radio signals that were picked up by scientists worldwide. This event marked the start of space exploration, showing that humans could send objects beyond our planet. The success of Sputnik 1 sparked what became known as the space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. It inspired nations to invest in space technology and paved the way for future missions. This tiny satellite was the first step towards exploring the universe beyond Earth. 2. Yuri Gagarin's spaceflight, 1961. First human in space. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first person to travel into outer space. He flew aboard a spacecraft called Vostok 1 and orbited the Earth for 108 minutes. During the flight, Gagarin experienced weightlessness and saw the Earth from space, something no human had ever done before. His safe return proved that humans could survive space travel, a huge step forward for space exploration. Gagarin's flight was a major achievement for the Soviet Union and inspired many future space missions. His successful journey showed that space travel was possible, opening the door for future astronauts to follow in his footsteps. Gagarin became a global hero, and his mission marked a turning point in the race to explore space. 3. Apollo 11, moon landing, 1969. First humans on the moon. In 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission made history when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. After traveling for 4 days in space, their spacecraft landed on the lunar surface. As Armstrong stepped onto the moon, he famously said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This achievement marked a breakthrough in human space exploration. The success of Apollo 11 showed that it was possible to not only reach other celestial bodies, but also explore them. Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2 hours collecting samples and conducting experiments. Their mission inspired generations to dream of space travel and laid the foundation for future missions to explore other planets and moons. 4. Voyager 1's launch, 1977. Reaching beyond the solar system. In 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, a spacecraft designed to explore the farthest parts of our solar system. Its mission was to study the outer planets and send back important data. Over the years, Voyager 1 provided stunning pictures and information about Jupiter, Saturn, and their moons. It helped scientists learn more about these distant worlds. After completing its mission to study the planets, Voyager 1 continued its journey, traveling further than any other man-made object. In 2012, it became the first spacecraft to enter interstellar space beyond our solar system. Even now, Voyager 1 sends valuable information back to Earth, helping scientists understand the universe far beyond our planet. Its journey is a landmark achievement in space exploration. 5. Space Shuttle program, 1981 to 2011. Reusable spacecraft. The Space Shuttle program, which started in 1981, allowed NASA to use spacecraft that could be launched into space and then returned to Earth to be used again. Unlike earlier rockets used only once, these shuttles could be reused, making space travel more affordable and frequent. This was a big step forward for space exploration. During its 30 years of operation, the Space Shuttle program carried astronauts and equipment into space for many important missions. It helped build the International Space Station, launched satellites, and carried out scientific experiments. The reusable design made space missions more efficient and allowed for more frequent trips, making it possible to explore space in new ways. The program ended in 2011, but its impact on space exploration is still felt today. 6. International Space Station, 1998. Global collaboration in space. The International Space Station, ISS,
was launched in 1998 as a joint project between several countries, including the United States, Russia, Japan, and European nations. It is a large space station that orbits the Earth and serves as a place for astronauts to live and work for long periods. The ISS is a symbol of international teamwork, with scientists from many countries working together. The ISS is also an important space laboratory where astronauts perform experiments that help us understand space and improve life on Earth. From studying how living in space affects the human body to testing new technologies, the research done on the ISS has made many scientific discoveries possible. It is one of the most successful examples of global cooperation in space exploration. 7. Mars rovers 2004 present. Unmanned exploration of Mars. NASA sent unmanned rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity to Mars to explore the planet's surface. These rovers landed on Mars between 2004 and the present, with each one having a special job to do. They have taken pictures, collected soil samples, and studied rocks to help scientists learn more about the planet. The information gathered by these rovers has been important in understanding Mars. They have found evidence that water once existed on the planet, which could mean life might have been possible there. These rovers continue to send valuable data back to Earth, helping scientists explore whether humans could someday live on Mars. Their discoveries have changed what we know about our neighboring planet. 8. SpaceX and private space exploration 2012 present. New era in space travel. In 2012, SpaceX made history by becoming the first private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station, ISS. Before this, only government space agencies like NASA had sent spacecraft into space. SpaceX's achievement marked the start of a new era where private companies could be involved in space exploration. One of the key innovations by SpaceX is its reusable rockets. These rockets can return to Earth and be used again, which helps reduce the high costs of space travel. This breakthrough made space missions more affordable and opened the door for more frequent trips. SpaceX's success has inspired other private companies to join the space industry, making space exploration more accessible and helping advance new technologies for future space missions. 9. New Horizons mission to Pluto 2015. Reaching the edges of our solar system. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made history by flying past Pluto, a small and distant dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system. Before this mission, we had never seen Pluto up close. New Horizons sent back the first detailed pictures of Pluto's surface, showing mountains, valleys, and icy plains. This mission gave scientists valuable information about Pluto and its moons, helping us learn more about this distant part of our solar system. New Horizons traveled billions of miles to reach Pluto, and its successful journey opened up new possibilities for exploring even further. The data collected continues to expand our understanding of the outer edges of the solar system and the mysterious worlds that exist there. 10. Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter, 2021. First powered flight on another planet. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover landed on Mars with a special companion, the Ingenuity helicopter. The rover's main goal was to explore the surface of Mars, collect rock samples, and search for signs of ancient life. But Ingenuity had a unique mission: to be the first helicopter to fly on another planet. It completed several short flights, proving that powered flight is possible on Mars, despite its thin atmosphere. This achievement opened up new ways to explore other planets beyond Earth. The success of Ingenuity showed that flying machines could be used to study places that rovers can't easily reach. Both Perseverance and Ingenuity are helping scientists learn more about Mars and are paving the way for future missions that may one day include humans. Space exploration has come a long way, from launching the first satellite to exploring distant planets and beyond. Each mission, from Sputnik 1 to Perseverance and Ingenuity, has pushed the boundaries of what we can achieve in space, bringing us closer to understanding the universe. These historic milestones not only shape the future of space travel, but also open new possibilities for exploration and discovery beyond Earth. If you're fascinated by space and want to stay updated on more amazing space achievements, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.